Cats have their languages. We've put together all of the possible cat behavior. 3 essential tips that makes you help to communicate with cats. Number 1, the tail. 1, raise upward and curled at the end. That's mean your cat is happy. 2, occasionally twitches mean he's excited and worried. It also vets say, when a cat nervously jerks its tail or keeps knocking its tail on the floor, it means your pet is in pain or stressed. It's time to take the cat to the vet. 3, the fur on the tail just out in different directions such as he is very excited or feels threatened. 4, the tail vibrates slightly. That's mean, the cat is agitated and glad to see you. 5, the tail sticks straight up, back bent to form an N. This is the sign of extreme aggression, occurs during self-defense. 6, the tail is straight but inclined at a low angle. That's mean, cat is slight aggression or fright, when a cat doesn't know if there is a friend or enemy around. It keeps the tail at an angle of 45 degrees. 7, the tail is lowered towards the ground. When it's frightened or feels guilty, most cats tuck their tails between the paws when they are afraid. It's also a sign of insecurity and submission. 8, the tail is wagging from side to side. It's mean, he is angry so to leave your pet alone. However, it might wants to play with you. Cats wagging their tails, when they are sitting next to their owners, and feeling completely satisfied. Number 2, the eyes. 1, dilated pupils, indicate strong feelings, playfulness, agitation, fright or aggression. In case a house is new for your cat, it's a sign not used in the new place, yet needs time to examine. 2, direct look, when a cat looks you directly in the eye. It's mean that he trusts you, and is comfortable being around you. 3, a slowly blink. It indicates that the cat is calm and feels comfortable and safe. It might even burrow while blinking slowly. Number 3, interaction with people. 1, if a cat rubs against you. It is marking you as its territory and property. 2, poking with a wet nose. It is an expression of attachment. It also indicates your cat feels comfortable and safe being around you. 3, rubs his head. When a cat rubs its head, side, or tail against you, it is just saying hello. 4, butting you slightly with its head. It is a sign of friendliness, your pet is in love with you. 5, move from one paw to another. It's mean they are happy and want to play. 6, licking you. If a cat licks you, it's a defined sign that it trusts you and considers you part of its family. 7, bites your hair. When a cat bites your hair, it's simply trying to clean you. It is another strong sign of love and trust. 8, bites you. When a cat bites you, take it as a sign that your pet wants to be left alone. 9. Raises its nose. If a cat raises its nose up and throws its head, it's saying, "I see you." That is, and please subscribe my channel and share my video.